Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Voice Access on Android. Here's how to use Voice Access on Android. Voice Access lets you control your phone with spoken commands. Great for hands-free use or accessibility. So first, open the Google Play Store. Then search for Voice Access by Google. Tap Install to download the app. Open the Voice Access app once installed by tapping Open. Here, you'll be guided to set it up. Now tap Settings when prompted to enable accessibility. In Settings, go to System, then go to Accessibility, Voice Access. Turn on the toggle for Voice Access. This gives the app permission to control your device. Then hit Allow. Allow all requested permissions on Voice Access shortcut, such as microphone access for voice commands. Then tap on Got It. Now go to Settings, then toggle on the Contents and Voice Command Preferences, Activation, and Setup for you to reveal the Voice Access and enable all of its features. Enable the Voice Access shortcut. Tap a button like a voice icon. Now, once it's activated, you will see a dots on the top left corner. Start speaking commands like Open YouTube or Go Home. You can also say Scroll Right to go to another part of home screen. To stop Voice Access, say Stop Voice Access or use the shortcut. To resume it, just tap on the voice icon again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.